Welcome back to this channel. As you know, we are solving SQL questions from Leetcode, and the batch 1, that is SQL challenge questions, day wise we are solving here. So till day 4 we are done with the questions, and also day 5 is also done. In this video we are going to solve question number 607, salesperson. Let's see the question. So here is the question, and you can see the new Leetcode interface, updated Leetcode interface, where you can see the problems list. You can switch between the problems. Then timer is here to check how much time you take to solve the particular question. And yes, this console is also changed, and you can see the SQL schema. You can copy this schema by this icon and uh, make these tables required for the query question in the MySQL PostgreSQL connectors. So let's see the question. This is the table called salesperson, this is the table company, and this is the table orders. So the table salesperson, this contains sales ID, name, salary, commission rate, hire date, these many columns. But seriously, I want to tell you that in this question there is only sales ID and name. These two columns make sense for this particular question. So don't see these three remaining columns and don't get confused. So sales ID is primary key for this column, and I don't want to read these lines to confuse you. Second is company table. This is the com ID and name. The name is company name, and these two columns are only we are going to use in our query, and ignore the CT column. Com ID is the primary key for this table, and the orders table which contain order ID, order date, com ID, sales ID, and amount. Basically this is about the scenario where the salesperson takes orders from different companies and provide those orders to the different people or different shopkeepers. So one person can have partnership with many other companies, two or more companies, and similarly one company can have many peoples that are having partnership with other companies also. Observe these three tables: salesperson, company, and orders. Observe their schema. You will not find any relationship, direct relationship between salesperson, company, both, but you will find the direct relationship between salesperson and orders, because sales ID is a foreign key in this orders table from this salesperson. And you will also find direct relationship between company table and orders table, as com ID is given primary key here. Is com ID is foreign key in the orders table. So to define the relationship between salesperson and company, direct relationship is not possible. So salesperson, company, and orders. Let's see the question. What actually we have to do? We have to write a SQL query to report the names of all salesperson who did not have any orders related to the company with the name red. We have to return the return table in any order. Salesperson, company, and orders table are here. So we have to find the names of salesperson who are not aligned with the company with the name red. So let's see the com ID of company having red, that is 1. Let's see the orders table. So com ID 1, there are two persons with the com ID 1. Their sales ID is 1 and 4, that is 1 John and 4 Pam. So John and Pam are related with the company called red, so their names should not be in the output table. So remaining are 2, 3, 5 sales ID, that is Amy, Mark, and Alex. These names should be in the output table, that is Amy, Mark, Alex. You will think that okay, so the company name having red has com ID is 1. So I will simply query between the orders and salesperson table, and I will just avoid the com ID 1 but there are different test cases also there. So for those test cases, there can be a thing that the company name read having com id either 2, 4, 3, etc. So we need to take the company table in account also. So first of all, we will write one common table expression, that is CTE, and based on that common table expression we will write the next query. So let's see. With CTE1 as, this is the syntax of common table expression. First of all, I would like to say that we are going to use left join here. So first we will write select get distinct com IDs, that is company ID, from orders table, left join company table, alias will be C, and I would like to get distinct com IDs from orders table. On condition C dot, I will write by sequence, that is O dot com ID is equal to C dot com ID, where C dot name is equal to red. Let's run this query to check the result. So the output is 1 as expected, and now we are going to write the expected query. First of all, we will give alias as com red, and I would like to select sales ID from order table for further query reference. What is the error? Okay, I just forgot to write select query. So ME mark Alex, this is the expected, and sales ID are right, and see the com ID having red, company name having sales ID 1 and 4 are here. So this was the expected, and let's see the further query. Select, so we are going to select names of those salesperson from salesperson table. We are going to give alias as S, where so S dot name is right, S dot sales ID. So first of all, we will select S dot name from salesperson S, left join CTE1C on S dot sales ID is equal to C dot sales ID. Okay, and I will write a where condition. Please understand that where and join condition works differently. So I will make a separate video for left join and where clause. I think I have explained this difference in my first SQL video, so I will provide the link for that. Okay, let's run the query. Okay, I have selected here sales ID. I should select the name here, and let's run the query again. Let me remove the alias. Okay, so the result is accepted.